Hey guys, it's Tasha from Lash Products. I wanted to step in today and make a video of how I take my clients' pictures once their lashes are done, and then I'll also show you guys how I edit those pictures for Instagram or social media. So I like to use my iPhone 10. If you have like an iPhone 10 or a later model, I think it's really good just because we have portrait mode, so you get very crisp, clear pictures. If you don't have, and I mean maybe use an Android too, but if you don't have a phone that takes clear pictures, then you probably want to invest in a real camera, just because this is what's going to sell your work. So I'll go ahead and show you what I do. So once the ring light's on, I like to have my client obviously stand directly in front of the ring light so it's nice and even lighting. I'll go to the camera mode obviously, and then I like to use portrait mode, and I like to go over, you could use natural light, which is really pretty. I like to go over to stage light because it just makes the background black behind, and I just feel like it's very crisp and clean. And then I'll take a picture. I'll kind of raise this up a little bit to get a good angle, and I'll take a picture. And I'll show you how that looks. So the first picture I usually do will have the client just gently looking down, like that, and then I kind of bring the phone up just a little bit higher to get a good angle, and then I take a picture. And then I'll have her look straight at the camera, and with a very like soft smile because she loves her lashes, I'll take another picture. And then I'll kind of work my way around to different angles. So now I like to take pictures from different side angles. So like here, here. And I don't like to take them too close up, which is why I like portrait mode, because if you zoom in and you take a picture like too close up, it can get really fuzzy once you try to blow it up later. Then on this side, same thing as the other side, I just like to take different angles. So that's just a quick tutorial on what I do, and then I'll also add in how I edit these pictures.